Mother road, God road. Boy, me I go say something, boy. I mean, you say, boy, Gaza fans, no please. Take out the stick out in your ears, please, and just listen to me for a second. Me nah say nothing bad, so let me jump straight to the chase. For a point in time, I hear them as a dancer lock up in a jail. I only did right. But there is a twist to the plot. Cartel go to jail, go free Dancehall. No one said for you can understand it. Dancehall did already lock up in a jail before Cartel go. Going go to jail, go free Dancehall. And him and Dancehall get bail the same time. When Cartel what you did they wrote, Dancehall did under attack same way. Pressure. Dancehall could move internationally. On a certain scale. Listen to me. Wow. Yeah, man. All me can say, wow. And the next thing I have to say again, that Black Ryno moment, wow. Me I take my flowers, because I know someone now going to give me. Years, Khago. The one where I say, please, give back Black Ryno in spot. Tears run out of my face this morning. Wow. Little brother. Little brother. Mad. And Vybz Kartel, big up yourself. Big up your damn self. Big up yourself. Never brat. Do what you're supposed to do. Teacher. That a power. That a power. That is the power where PNP are fight for. And labor right, and you will never get it. The next thing when I throw out in the world, I'm tired to throw it out, you better start giving me props. Popcorn, you're up next in line. Popcorn, up next in line. I'm now going to say rest. Miss Vybz Grange, write the letter. Miss Vybz Grange, write the letter for Allozate too. Yes. Miss Vybz Grange, if I want more thing you ever do before God ready for you and ready for me and you. And I hope you live till the sun goes in. Write the letter for Popcorn and write the letter for Allozate. Miss Vybz Grange, rapper, can't full that stadium there. Rapper, you know. Rapper. Cardi B them carefully. Miss Vybz Grange. We are depend on you know. Specialist. Talk to mama. I don't know if my voice go up to the level there, but talk to mama. Free up Allozate. Free up Popcorn. Free up back all the artists them. Yes, because Miss Vybz Grange, I talk from my heart, the devil find work the idle hands to do. And Miss Vybz Grange, are the voice of Vybz Kartel move America. The voice of Bounty Killer move America. The voice of Bob, the voice of Beanie. The voice of nah sell out my friend them Khago move the world. But Miss Vybz Grange, sometime because we come from the ghetto, we don't know our power. Cartel go to jail, go free Dancehall and walk out with it. Yes. And I don't want nobody have to go to jail for free reggae music. Miss Vybz Grange, Reggae music under one bandage too. I don't need to say much. Free it up. The youth them can, just make the youth them can get to show them full potential. Yes, man. And please, give Vybz Kartel in something the passport. Give Vybz Kartel in diplomatic passport. Bunty need to have in diplomatic passport. Popcorn to have diplomatic passport. Alkaline them, Charlie Blacks them, Vegas them, Khago them. Yes. And them type of thing they are going to uplift the youth them and keep the youth them out of problem, Miss Babsy Grange. Listen to me. What we know so we're great. And we are part of the one we are help build the brand Jamaica. And we politicians them look down upon us and hold us up to our standard. And can we come up yourself, Miss Babsy Grange? Can I tell you something, Miss Babsy Grange? When you get a son or you get a daughter, it make you do evil war. You start behave yourself. So you see, certain artists, like I squash them also, Carly say, when you call them and say you have a diplomatic passport, you're a diplomat, you know you start behaving yourself. Enough things can fix. You see when you have certain thing in your hand, Miss Babsy Grange, you don't want them nothing to mess it up. Yes. Listen to me. Gaza. MC Nuffy, big up yourself. Your Dana's all made. And if you make your enemy Ross proud, listen to me, Kartel. Listen to me. Because your mother love me like a cook food and your mother knows that the people them might give me a beat when me not deserve. You understand? Your mother used to watch me. A ball for the government let you go. So you can't chick Mama Kartel. Listen to me. And Kartel, me I will tell you something. And if today are the last day me ever say your name, you know when I joke me I make, and when me just do things for clout. You use a clout master, and you know Khago is a clout master. Listen. It is so easy to make your friend proud. But you see, when you make your favorite app, because I know your enemy, you know, because I know you rate me. When you can make Gaza favorite Ross app proud, that's enough for you is proud. When you can make me feel wonderful, when you can make me feel like me up next, I tell, when you can make Sky God Khago feel like, yo, me up next. Whoa. 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 Big up your team, sir. DJ Chrome, big up your damn self. It was fully and well received. And big up all the artists that must forward out. Bujo Bantan, don't act like you think me not see you. Wow. And you check say me not see you, Bujo Bantan. Me see you, you know. I act like a rude Ross child last night, you know. We see you, man. I say curse word. We never know you sing those type of songs. But that is how love go. Because you know Kartel. You are Kartel say you're idol. And to see you turn up, come support him. Me know I go there with him power, you know. But to have him idol walk out and silk sheet, to come stand up, to support him. If I one thing me know, the Gaza people them show us is loyalty. Thick or thin, Jamaicans, but we all just spread love, man, for each and every one. Kartel, you have all made us feel wonderful, not proud. And we can do anything, it no matter the pit where we are come out of. One Khagonians, one Gaza, Mother Road, Gaza Road. Mama Kartel, big up yourself. Shorty, big up yourself too, man.